Welcome back. State Mines Director Prasanna Acharya has filed a criminal complaint against department's own employees. Department in its complaint has said that few Mines Department employees helped one Frost International to export the ore illegally to China. Mines employees forged documents and were catalysts in this illegal export. Complaint says state exchequer lost revenue of almost 1.5 crore due to this manipulation.
State Mines Department has filed a complaint against its own employees involved in illegal mining. Complaint has been filed by the Mines Director Prasanna Acharya. Complaint says these employees helped trader Frost International in illegally exporting ore to China between 12 November 2010 to 22 September 2011. Documents were forged. Duplicate NOCs were issued by the mine employees. This illegal trade had cost government treasury almost 1 crore 35 lakhs. Complaint has been lodged under Mines and Mineral Act against the suspected Mines Department employees. Meanwhile, Assistant Geologist of Mines Department Ramnath Shedgaonkar visited Crime Branch on Tuesday. Crime Branch interrogated Shedgaonkar in illegal mining case. Similarly, expelled Assistant Geologist Shobhana Rivankar was also quizzed on Tuesday. Terminated Senior Geologist Hector Fernandez has been summoned on Wednesday. Many employees from Mines Department have been under the radar of suspicion from the day illegal mining scam was unearthed. Few mine owners had time and again voiced that many traders were indulged in exporting ore illegally. Mine Department's complaint on Tuesday has further endorsed the claims. Video journalist Omkar Farari and Sushant Pad for Prudent.
Crime Branch quizzed former Chief Officer of Konkan Municipality and present Additional Collector of North Goa, Deepak Desai, consecutively for third day. Deepak Desai is being grilled on how he issued occupancy certificates without inspecting the residency site. A police team has been formed which will move to Mumbai in search of absconding builders of Ruby Residency. 31 labourers had died and many left injured in this building collapse.
Former Chief Officer of Konkan Municipality and present Additional Collector of North Goa, Deepak Desai, appeared before Crime Branch on Tuesday. Victim families have earlier alleged that Deepak Desai was given a VIP treatment by police during interrogations. Sources claim that investigating agency is tightening the noose around Deepak Desai. Evidences at present are indicating big lapses on Deepak Desai's part while granting certificates to Ruby Residency project. Deepak Desai, then Chief Officer of Konkan Municipality, had issued occupancy certificates without inspecting the status of the building. While rejecting the anticipatory bail of Municipal Engineer Ashank Naik Gaonkar, the High Court has also observed that certificates were issued in hurry and without visiting the site. Deepak Desai has again been asked to appear for questioning on Wednesday. Investigating team is quizzing him to ascertain whether he had issued certificate under somebody's pressure. According to Crime Branch sources, possibility of arrest of Deepak Desai in near future cannot be ruled out. Meanwhile, a police team has been formed which will move to Mumbai in search of absconding builders of Ruby Residency, Pradeep Singh Baring and Jaideep Sehgal. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Hearing on Tarun Tejpal's bail plea before the High Court has been adjourned for next Tuesday. Prosecution has sought time to file reply on Tejpal's contentions. Tejpal has been booked for sexually assaulting a lady journalist of Tehelka. He is lodged in Sada jail since his arrest on 30th November last year.
Tarun Tejpal has challenged Panji Sessions Court's order rejecting his bail, and he has also pleaded the High Court to grant him bail. His petition before the High Court came up for hearing on Tuesday, but Special Public Prosecutor waived notice on behalf of state government and sought time to reply. Giving 1 week's time to the state to file its reply, the High Court has adjourned hearing for next Tuesday. Earlier, Principal District and Sessions Court at Panji, in its judgment dated 10th January, had dismissed his bail plea. The court had appreciated prosecution's contention that Tejpal may influence and threaten the victim or witnesses if he comes out of jail. Tejpal is facing the charges of sexually assaulting a lady journalist of his office during Think Festival organized in a hotel in Goa in November last year. He was arrested on 30th November. Presently, he is lodged in Sada jail at Vasco in judicial custody. Crime Branch is due to file charge sheet in this case. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.